and welcome to A Little Bite of History, the cooking show which not only shows you how to cook yummy recipes, but adds a little bit of real history into the mix. Today we are making Julius Caesar salad.
Who is Julius Caesar? Oh, that guy?
The first thing we're going to do is wash our lettuce and chop it up. Just chop it up into these biggish chunks. Unless you want smaller chunks, it doesn't really matter. Just do whatever preference you prefer. Put the lid on. That should be good. Now we dump these into the salad bowl. And you know this salad? We chop it up, right? And it's just like when Caesar was cut out of his mother. He was the first recorded Caesar in section birth. And he was also born in Rome, Italy on July 13th, 100 BC. Next thing in our salad is the cucumbers. I peeled them and sliced them into thin rounds. Besides having the Caesar section named after him, Caesar also created a better calendar after his time in Egypt with Cleopatra and some of the best astronomers in the ancient world. Later, Pope Gregory took the Julian calendar and made it into the modern day calendar, the Gregorian calendar. And the Julian calendar was the first one to introduce leap days. Here we have are some nice diced up and juicy tomatoes. You know what else is juicy? Caesar's love life. Caesar was also known as a ladies' man. He had a total of 3 wives and courted many other people, both mainly women, but a few men too even. One of his most famous girlfriends was Cleopatra, who was the queen of Egypt at the time. Next, we have these yummy, crunchy, cubed bell peppers. Caesar didn't become famous for nothing. Why do you think he has so many things named after him? So what made him famous? In his early years, building a reputation as a leader in politics and the military, he strategized many military moves, which in turn helped him progress with his political status. One of his greatest military feats was when one of his political enemies, Publius, used his navy to blockade Caesar's cavalry. But Caesar turned Publius's naval blockade against him with a land blockade. We'll show you with this demonstration.
Hey, Caesar, we're blockading you with an ocean blockade.
Not anymore. I'm blockading you with a land blockade.
Finally, a little protein in our salad. Here we have is a bowl of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. They're all the same, really. Drained of their liquid and rinsed a few times. Another one of Caesar's impressive military feats is when he fought with the king of Turkey, whose army was twice as large as Caesar's. Can you guess who won? Yep, Caesar did. Even with half the size of an army, he won. In fact, this battle inspired Caesar's immortal words. I came, I saw, I conquered. Or in his native tongue, Latin, Veni, Vidi, Vici, and now the chicken. This is some rotisserie chicken breast cut into little strips. And just like this chicken is a buzzkill for vegetarians, when Caesar had his victory parade when he finally came home from all his traveling, slave had to hold a crown over Caesar's head. and whispered that he would die someday to make Caesar afraid from being too cocky and godlike. To remember he's only a mortal. Didn't work very well. Talk about raining on his parade. Yummy, delicious olives. This will give it a nice salty, briny taste to the salad. Hey, what's briny and salty? Oh, I know, the ocean. In fact, on this large body of water, pirates held Caesar hostage aboard their ship. But he was so angry that they only held him for 1,500 gold coins that he demanded that he was worth way more. He demanded that they raise it all the way up to 4,000 gold coins. Now that we have the main components of our salad, of our lovely salad, let's unite them all with some dressing. This dressing is this lovely dressing will unite all the flavors in the bowl. By the way, even though Caesar seems like a bloodthirsty guy with some anger management problems, he actually was pretty nice. He declared himself triumvirate.
Triumvirate.
He wasn't triumvirate.
Triumvirate.
Ah! But Caesar, oh Caesar, really wanted more power and said, I am a dictator for life. But he did some pretty good things, like lowering mortgage rates, giving away lands, building houses, and even forgiving his enemies instead of killing them.
Let's toss this salad.
After tossing the salad, it's time to grate some lovely Parmigiano Reggiano.
It is Parmigiano Reggiano.
I always get kind of worried about accidentally grating my skin off. How would I do this? So please, be careful. But poor Caesar, he didn't know he should have been careful when he went to that Senate meeting during the Ides of March. He got into a little civil unrest that involved some sharp kitchen utensils, such as this grater.
No, nobody attacked him with a grater. Just say sharp kitchen utensils, mainly knives. Go again.
Oh. Okay, sharp kitchen utensils, mainly knives. Even his best friend Brutus and the other senators didn't like what he was doing and being a dictator for life and stuff like that. They decided to kill him, and they literally backstabbed him 23 times with knives. Fun fact, out of all the wounds, only one of them was actually fatal. Let's put some garlicky, crunchy croutons to top off our tasty creation. Caesar conquered many places, people, and even time. As today, Caesar's legacy inspires many great military leaders. And P.S., a little disclaimer, Caesar's salad actually wasn't named after or invented by Julius Caesar. This is delicious. Well, we'll Caesar you later. Thanks for watching my project.
Some resources that helped include The Thrifty Guide to Ancient Rome, a handbook for time travelers by Jonathan W. Stokes, How They Croak, The Awful Ends of the Awfully Famous by Georgia Bragg, and the website on Stucksters.